Hello and welcome everyone to the walk around video here at your next car, the 2013 63 Reg 320D M Sport XDRIVE. Car's presented in XDRIVE Blue, features the YJ body enhancement kit alongside some nice features and options. How you see the car is how you'll purchase it. If you would like to know more, please click the links in the description box. It's got brand new 20-inch alloys with 4 brand new tyres, splitter, grills, side vinyls, YJ and performance decals, spoiler and rear diffuser. It also benefits from the rear privacy glass. It's got front and rear parking sensors, good sized boot as you can see. It does also have the folding rear seat option. Onto the passenger side, where again everything looks nice and neat and tidy. XDRIVE Blue is always a popular colour, probably one of the, if not the most popular throughout the whole of the BMW range. 3-seat Isofix rear bench there then. Split folding seats. Up front you've got heated front seats, 6-speed manual, and if I head on round to the driver's side, we'll spend a few moments just highlighting a couple of the interior features. You've got cruise control, voice and volume functions. It's covered just over 87,000 miles, this car. Business nav and media, Bluetooth telephone, DAB radio alongside USB, AUX and Bluetooth line-in. In terms of servicing, we can go ahead and check that for you now. Isn't due a service for 18,000 miles, and service history, as you can see, it's got very good service history, all there on the iDrive. As I mentioned, front and rear parking sensors. So if you would like to know more about this XDRIVE 3 Series, go ahead and click the links in the description box. For now though, thank you, bye bye.